nasty time.
Alright guys, welcome back. I told you one of the things that I wanted to do before we drop the new engine in was upgrade this charging system here. This is just the factory alternator. I think they did the same externally regulated. It was from like 79 to 85. So it's not keeping up very well with the electric fans going. And now I got the electric fuel pump in the back. So I'm gonna upgrade it. We got the SVE 3G conversion kit there. It's got a regulator from, I think, PA Performance there. So comes with that, pigtail, some hardware, everything you're gonna need. Big mega fuse there. I'll have to figure out where we're gonna mount that. And then the alternator itself. So it'll be a little bit easier for me. I guess you're supposed to, if you're going to use a stock bracket, you got to do some grinding and stuff, but we got that Jegs bracket there. I think it's just going to go right in. So let's get to work and get all this stuff tore out of here. All right, well, there's the finished product. I flipped the alternator down instead of up so I can get the wires a little bit closer. It looks a little bit neater. I like the way that turned out there. Everything else, I just followed the instructions that came with the kit. It was really easy to install. That's the new voltage regulator in there that came with it. Just goes right in place to the original one. This is the power lead that goes to the alternator with the mega fuse in there. The 3-wire pigtail that came with it has the yellow wire goes to the power lead there. The green wire goes to the original field wire, which is looks like orange and black there. Did a weather pack connector in case I just got to take it off, do whatever I got to do. Be real easy. The white wire had a little connector on it that goes into the alternator, plugged right in, so that was perfect. So now we just got to fire it up and see what the voltage is like, and hopefully it's better than 12.8, which is about the best I could get with the fans running, the fuel pump running, and the headlights on. I'd have to rev it up and the headlights would get brighter and stuff, so hopefully we don't have any more of that. Thanks for following along. Look for the next video. I'm gonna be drawing the name. It'll probably do like a live or something, because the Spin Tech video hit 5,000 views and I hit 500 subscribers, so that was a nice milestone to hit there. So look for that, and I'll draw a winner on the Flow Monster mufflers, and we'll figure out a way to get them shipped out to there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. All right, there we go with it running. 14.4 volts is a lot better than I think the best I was getting with the fans. The fuel pump running was about 12.8, so this is definitely a nice little upgrade for this car.